Welcome to DevTech Minds. This is the 11th video of 30 days of Pandas, and we are solving second highest salary. Now this question is almost similar to the previous question that we have solved, which was nth highest salary. Now here we have just fixed nth to second. So there will be small changes in the previous code that we have written. Let's read the problem first. We have the same table with two columns, IDs and salaries, and what we have to do is that we have to write a solution to find the second highest distinct salary. Now if we got two salaries similar, we do not have to find that because we have to find the distinct one. So if like we have three salaries, or let's say we have four salaries in which three of them are same, then the second highest is the fourth one. That's what we have to find. And all that we have to find from the employee table, and if there is no second highest salary, we have to return null. Now here you can see we have this example, 3 data points, and the second highest salary is 200 as the highest salary is 300. So we will return 200 in the output. Here you can see. In the second example, we have only one salary, so we return null. Now let's try to write the solution for it. Now the first thing we need, let me quickly zoom it a little. Now the first thing we need is we need to get the unique salaries from the entire employee table. So the employee table contains two columns. We need only one, we need the salaries only, and we will get the unique values only. So let's write the code. So I'm going to take the employee, or let's first create a variable unique salaries. That will be the employee dot salary, which is this. Let me copy it and paste it, and then from there we have to drop the duplicates. So for that I can use the dot unique. It will help me get the unique values and drop all the duplicates. So this will return the unique salaries to me. Now we will write the similar condition that if we do not have the second salary, if the length of this unique salary is less than 2, we'll write a condition. So if, and we have the condition that length of the unique salary is less than 2, which means we only have one salary. Because we already have taken unique, so the duplicates are gone. Now we have these salaries in order. Now if length is less than 2, it doesn't matter in which order we see it. If length is less than 2, which means we only have one salary, we need to return null in the final output. Now for that I'll use return, and I'll create a data frame, pd.data frame, and for that I'll use the numpy np.null or np.nan. Let me name nan as the camel case. Right. Now apart from that, we also need to name this column as second highest salary. So let me quickly copy this and add it here. Column equals second highest salary. That'll do the work. We only have one column, otherwise we can use columns and give the list of columns. Both will work. Now if this is not the condition, if we have more than 2 data points in the unique salaries, then what we're gonna do? So we're gonna write else what we're going to do, let me copy this. We're going to return salary, but before that we have to calculate it. Salary equals, from the unique salaries I can get the index 1 because the index starts with 0, but before that I would have to sort it because I need the highest ones, so I would have to sort it first. So for that I will use the sorted function of Python. So Python has a sorted function which can be applied to list, and it sorts the list. So sorted, and I'll give this unique salaries list, and it will sort the list. Now we need to sort it in descending, so I'll use the order as reverse. So we have the option, the another parameter, reverse equals true is what I will give, and it will sort the salaries in the descending order. So that is done. Now, so we got the salaries, we got the sorted. Now this thing is we have done in the previous question as well. All these similar things we have done in the previous question as well. So right, we got the sorted salary and we'll return this salary in here. Now we do not need all the salaries, we need only one. So what one we need, we all know that the indexes start with 0, so we need the index 1. That will give us the second salary, and as the order is reversed, so it will give us the second highest salary. So once again I'll give you a summary of this query. We firstly identified the unique salaries to drop the duplicates because we need the distinct second highest salary. So we have dropped them. We have used the unique method to get the unique salaries only. Then we applied a conditional that if the length of this unique salary is less than 2, which means we do not have the second highest salary, we need to return then, which is null, with the column name of second highest salary. Otherwise we need to sort it and sort in the reverse order, and that get the value which is present at index 1, which is the second data point. The index 0 is the first data point, and then we are returning the salary using the column name as second salary. Let's run it. And here you can see that the first test case has been accepted. So what we'll do, we'll submit it and see if the query passes all the test cases that are present. And here we go, we have passed all the test cases and the time is also not that much. So that's it. That's how you have to solve this problem. I hope you understand it. So that was all about the problem 11 of 30 days of pandas. I'll see you in the next problem.